Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about rounding of numbers. First of all, children, I would like to tell you why we need the rounding of numbers. Rounding, another word by which we can come to understand the meaning of rounding is estimating. Right? Now, for example, I go to shopping and I collect some things of stationery from there, and when I add my total of all my stationery things, it comes to 59 rupees. So probably, what do you think, how much money will I give to the shopkeeper? Maybe I give him a 100 rupee note and then the shopkeeper will give me the change back, right? That means my 59 number was rounded to 100. Got it? Had it been 51, I would have said to the shopkeeper to please keep 50 rupees. Got it? What I want to say is, if not 100, I can even give the shopkeeper rupees 60. So shopkeeper can give me 1 rupee back. Here the shopkeeper can give me a margin of rupees 1. I can pay him rupees 50. Right? So rounding, or say the estimating, is done to the nearest zero. Now, what do we mean by the nearest zero, children? What do we mean by, if I say the word zeros in mathematics? It means I am talking about 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Maybe 10,000 and then so on. Right? So rounding is always done to its nearest zero. In our syllabus, we have rounding of numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100 and to the nearest 1000. Let us first understand, children, what actually we mean by rounding and how we do it. Children, I am making a number line for you and I am writing few numbers for you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You can imagine a scale in your hand like this. Now, dear children, if I give you a number 75 and I give you a number 25, can I ask you one question? To which nearest zero? To which nearest zero is 25? So, do you think that I have two options for it? It is either 20 or it is 30. Now, for the digit 5, it will always be a confusion. So, I give you a thumb rule. When I have to decide that 25 is near to 20 or 30, I will decide upon the rule which I am just going to tell you. If I am about to judge the tens place, listen carefully. If I am about to judge the tens place, I will look at the ones place. If the ones place digit, focus on my words, if the ones place digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, it is near to the previous zero. It is near to the previous, pehle wala, before 0. Got it? If it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then it is to the next zero. It is near to the next zero, that is after wala. Or in some words, some teachers might even explain it to you that in this case, when the ones digit, I am teaching you how we round at nearest 10. How we round at nearest 10. We observe the ones digit. If the digit at the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be rounded to the previous one. In the case 25, the digit is 5. It comes in this box. So I will add 1 to the tens place. In some words, we also say add 1 to the tens place, and what do I get? I get 3030. So this will be nearing to 30. Right, children? I will just change the number over here. If I give you 72, if I give you 72, children, if I give you 72, two options, 70 and 80, how will you decide? You will see that ones place, check out, it is in this box or in the upward box. So this is in the previous box, so it will be rounded to 70. I take one more example here. 83, I have to round it to the nearest 10. I will look at the ones place, check it, which box, previous box, it will be rounded to 80 or 90, दोनों में से एक होगा, it will be rounded to 80. I take another example, it is 97. Children, it will be rounded to either 90 or to 100. Now this comes in the after box. So I will add 1 to the tens place, it will become 10 and it will be rounded to 100. I hope I have made this very clear. Now let us quickly see if I have to round to nearest 100, what will I do? Say I have taken 385. For rounding to the nearest 100, I will look at the tens place. The rule is same. One is the previous box, one is the after box. Previous box mein your digit should be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After box your digit should be 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So here it is 8. You have two options, either 300 or 400. This is 8, this is after box, it will be rounded to 400. Take another example. You have to round to the nearest 100. When you have to round to the nearest 100, you look at the tens place, decide which box, it comes in the previous box. Previous means 200, after means 300, it will be rounded to 200. Let's quickly check out when we have to round to the nearest 1000, what we do? Say 3, 4, 5, 6. For rounding to the nearest 1000, we look at the hundreds place. Boxes are the same. Previous box 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the after box is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the previous box. 3000 पे rounding होगी या 4000 पे rounding होगी, तो आंसर आएगा 3000. Let's take another example. 1000 place rounding. Check the hundreds place. Previous or after. 2000 or 3000. It is the after box. ये rounding हो. Now let's quickly come to our exercise. Open your notebooks. Exercise 1.6. Put today's date here. Write the question number 1. Round to the nearest 10. A, B, C, D. Let me round the numbers. 63, 7552, 9523. Only C part. After I round it to the nearest 10, I look at the ones place. So in your mind, don't write, in your mind this will be rounded to either 60 or 70. This will be rounded to 7550 or 7560. This will be rounded to 9520 or 9530. I have to round at the tens place. So 60, 70, 50 or 60, 20 or 30. Now I have to decide. This was just for your thinking, just to tell you what you have to think, right? So you are supposed to look at the ones place, decide your boxes. This is in the previous box, so you round it to 60. This is again in the previous box, so you round it to 50. This is again in the previous box, so you round it to 20. Clear? Now write question number 2. Round to the nearest 100. Write the 3 sums. 3 2 5 8 9, 6 3 2 1 4, 4 7 8 9 6 5. Right? 100 की rounding. What I have to observe? Tens digit. For your mind, this will be rounded to 3 to 5, 100 or 3 to 600. This will be rounded to 6 3 200 or 6 3 300. And this will be rounded to 4 7 8 900 or 4 7. When I add 1 here for the next one, it will become 90. So this is just for your, hold it and observe it carefully, right? No need to write it, that is why I am erasing it. You can hold the video and just, put a focus in your mind about it. So when I see 8, it is in the after box, it will be rounded to 600. When I see 1, it is in the before box, it will be rounded to 200. When I see 6, it is in the after box, it will be rounded to 9,000. Simple. So similarly, we'll do question number 3, children. Round to the nearest 1000. Round to the nearest 1000. A, B, C, 63254, 965023, 741236. Right? 1000 place, what I observe? Hundreds digit. Right? It is in the previous box, so it will be rounded to 3000. This is in the previous box, it will be rounded to 5000. Previous box rounded to 1000. Question number 4 in the books. Now dear children, there are some places, some things where we can round, but there are some places where rounding is just not possible. For example, if a train, if I take say 35 students for a picnic, can I round them to 40 and bring back 40 students? It's not possible, right? So we have to take care about the situation. Either it can be rounded or it cannot be rounded. So certain situations are given to us. We have to tell that can be rounded or we cannot round it. In the first question, the human body has 206 bones. Can we round it off to the nearest 100? A big no. Can we just change the number of bones present in our body? No. School begins at 8 a.m. Can it be rounded to the nearest timing? No. We cannot say that 8 is near to 10, so I will go to school at 10 a.m. Not possible. 25 children were sent to circus. Can it be rounded off to nearest 10? Can I bring back 20 children or 30 children? No. Right? So I really hope you have understood the concept of rounding. Any doubts, get back in touch with me. Thank you.